Hello, chickens. Hi, Vanilla. Are you getting dry? Are you nice and cozy? You're guarding her, huh? You don't like me. You don't like me, Mr. Chocolate. Oh, you're so pretty. You want your greens? Yep, eat your greens. Oh, no, no, not that. Ooh, you're not supposed to. Yeah, you're supposed to bite it, not swallow the whole thing. The internet is gonna kill me if they see you eating such a big thingies. Is it that loose? Oh, I'm afraid he's gonna bite me. No, it's not loose at all. Probably he got one that was loose. This is the great option. I really liked it. I got it on Amazon. Some growing kit. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. Пока-пока.